Hi friends, today we talking about a Dino Capture Dino Light 2.0. Here you see Dino Capture 2.0. So this is a one type of a microscope, and this is a software to use to check welding penetrations. You see here, this is a welded part, and we check welding penetration, how many penetration go inside this each one of the plate. Okay, so first of all, you see here, this is a parameters of these lines and show many things. You see here, this is the setting points. You set color, contrast, brightness, and so many things. Also you set here zoom in or out of this screen. Here you can calibrate of these software, and you can also change unit, inch, mm, and so many things. Here values, magnification values are put here. We already set Arduino Light 10 point. Here pictures name are given here. Okay, length and width of pictures. You see A009, A008. Here you see here, this is the changing, this is a picture numbering. Okay, now we start. If these readings are clear out, then you write, then you click right and clear here and all. So these all parameters are clear out. Friends, we check these penetrations. Before moving forward, friends, you first of all know these two plates thickness. At least one plate thickness you already know with the help of vernier or micrometer. This one plate and this is a second plate, and at least any one plate thickness you already know. So friends, we know this plate having thickness 5 mm and this plate having thickness 3 mm. So first of all you draw line. So you take here line and draw this like this. Now again you take line and again draw here. Okay, so friends, you know these thickness are 5 mm and 3 mm. So you take here line and draw here like this very perfectly. Okay, and here you see 4.794. this is not exact, approx 5 mm. So you change here, value change here, we take 10.2 mm. So sorry, 10 point we put here 10.2 mm value, then here change 4.7. so also it is not exact, approx 5 mm. So we again change these values as 1. So here see friends, if we put value 10.1 mm, then here 4.9, this value is approx 5 mm. Okay, now second thickness we find to take line and draw here like this. So these values are 3.154. so we know this plate having thickness 3 mm and this plate having 5 mm. These values are approx 5 mm and 3 mm. Okay, now we at last find out, we set these values and putting here we set one of them, and again we find out the welding penetration. So you take line here again and draw this. We adjust this value to set up this. Okay, and now okay, we also find out throat value. So this is a throat value 5.215, and this is a penetration of 5 mm, thickness having penetration 1.302 mm, and 3 mm part penetration having 1.225 mm. Okay, so this is a throat value. So how can minimum theoretical throat value is calculated? We already upload these type of video. So first of all, you see how can you calculate minimum theoretical throat value. So friend, this is a very short video on that. I am not described very deeply, so almost you read here. This is a microscope to find out welding penetration. This is a software name DynoCapture 2.0, also known as DynoLite. Okay, thank you.